Hey guys! Thank you for watching Cookholic Japan today. It's Shohei, and this channel is presented from small kitchen here in Tokyo, Japan. And I would share the simple and tasty Japanese homemade recipe. And today I want to share the recipe of 豚の生姜焼き. In English, this is called grilled pork ginger, and this is quite typical Japanese homemade dish. I use two types of gingers for sauce. One is sliced, and the other is grated, and this smells so good. I'll share the recipe that everyone can cook, so let's check it out. Iただきます。いきます。美味しい。うまい。最高です。Thank you for watching Cookholic Japan today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please thumbs up. I bet you 豚の生姜焼き must go great with beer. If you are more interested in my channel, please subscribe. I will update more fascinating videos, and I hope you enjoyed them. See you in next time. Bye bye.